China has achieved major technical breakthroughs and overcome a blockade on techniques as it developed the country's first homegrown large passenger plane, C919, which was delivered to a jetliner for commercial operations on Friday. The flight makes China the fourth jumbo jet producer after the United States, Western Europe, and Russia. It also marks a milestone for the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, the Shanghai-based manufacturer of the C919. The designers gave the plane a streamlined nose with a broad-vision windshield. It is also equipped with China's self-developed supercritical wings, all of which can greatly reduce air resistance and save energy. Meanwhile, the C919 planes are installed with a cutting-edge avionics system and fly-by-wire system, making it more pilot-friendly. Upon the delivery of the C919, China has finished the full process of the design, manufacture, test flight, and airworthiness certification of its first jumbo passenger jet, and has proven itself capable of being a passenger plane producer. With a standard range of 4,075 kilometers, the narrow-body jet is comparable with the updated Airbus 320 and Boeing's new generation 737 planes, signaling the country's entry into the global aviation market.